Hey everyone, in this quicktech how-to video, I'm going to show you a simple way of highlighting duplicate data inside of Google Sheets. This is accomplished by using a formula inside of conditional formatting. I'll also leave the formula at the top of the description below so you can easily copy it from there. To get started, open or create a Google Sheets file that you want to check for duplicates. To make it easy, we'll take this simple column of comic books that we want to see if we have copies of. It starts in A1 and runs down the A column. Go ahead and select all of the cells that have data. Next, go to Format at the top and select Conditional Formatting. This will open the side menu on the right where we can set up our rules. In the Apply To range, you'll see it's already filled with the selection that we made. If you didn't select anything beforehand, you can enter your selection here. Next, in the Format Cells If dropdown, select Custom Formula Is, and in the box below that, enter equals countif, open parentheses, A:(A, comma, A1, close parentheses, greater than sign, 1. This basically says start counting in the entire A column, starting at 1, and if you see the contents of A column more than once, apply the following formatting. Now in the Formatting Style section, choose how you want the selections to be formatted or leave it as default. When you're finished, hit Done. As you can see now, it's highlighted the duplicate comic books that I have in my column. A quick note here. This formula will only work for finding duplicates in the A column. If you want to find them, for instance, across row 1, you can change the A:(A to 1:1. This will also only work for one row or column at a time. So if you want to do multiple, just simply create a new rule here for each row or column. And that's how you can highlight duplicate data in a column or row inside of Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quicktech how-to videos.